Hello, tool people, followers, friends. I'm Doug. Welcome. Wanted to do a little video about proto pliers. I've never owned a pair of actual proto pliers. I did have a set of mini protos, these little precision, but never like actual real pliers. Like a lot of companies, like your top 5, like Snap-on and such, have less expensive brands under their wing. I don't know what you would call it, but like Snap-on has a company called Bluepoint, and Proto has Blackhawk. Williams has Cougar. I'm not sure if SK has one. I'm not really sure. And in some cases, some of your bigger name companies will just rebrand somebody else's product. Say, for example, Channel Lock pliers. Channel Lock makes really good pliers, and other tool companies will just stamp their name on Channel Locks and do what's called rebrand them. Vice Grip's probably another one, where if they're well made, your higher end tool companies will just stamp their name on there. It's not always the case, but sometimes. So these are 9-inch protos. They were about 50 bucks. I've only had them, they just came the other day. Check out that finish. Pretty crazy. A little rough around the edges. Proto. Where are we here? Whoops, sorry. Pretty sharp edge too. That's actually fairly sharp. So these here, I got at AutoZone for $9. These are Titans. Titan brand. There's really like no flex in these handles, where the Proto actually has a significant amount of flex compared to that. Not like a ton, but far more than these $9 ones. And these weigh like twice as much as the Protos. They're both the 9-inchers. They're a lot beefier. But still proud to own them. I still like them. Pair of needle nose, extended reach needle nose. I don't really know if these are just rebranded Channel Locks or Crescent. Did I say Channel? I don't know. Crescent is, I think, what I meant. Oh no, these are Channel Lock. Okay. Crescent is another good company that sometimes other tool brands will use their stuff and just stamp their name right on it. But yeah, Channel Locks make really good pliers too. Extremely good pliers. These Blackhawk Protos, and I was real happy with this set. This set was like over 150 bucks. Super expensive. You know, there's an SK set. There is a Nipex set that's like $225. Like, I just couldn't bring myself to spend that much. Blackhawk, Proto's cheaper line of stuff. This is just a 4-piece set. I'm trying to do this one-handed here. The handles are a little different. The real Proto's got much fatter handles. It's probably hard to tell. They're just thicker foam. Where's the cutters? Where's the cutters? They look about the same. Sorry, I'm spinning you guys every which way. Yeah, the finish is a little nicer on the Proto. But anyway, silly little wrench video. Or I'm sorry, plier video. I'm out of it. I just got here having coffee, trying to wake myself up. Yeah, Blackhawk is like a cheaper proto company or whatever. I don't know. They're still good. Blackhawk makes really good stuff. Anything Blackhawk, you're not really gonna be disappointed as far as I know. I haven't tried all that much stuff. Snap-on Blue Point's another good one. Anything Blue Point's generally really well made. I have a set of Blue Point pliers, a whole set. Those suckers rusted out on me super bad. I'll have to do a video about that. Anyway, yeah, proto pliers, yay. My first ones. You know, I wanted to do a comparison with like SK has this, they're like $60, $68. I like couldn't do it. I couldn't bring myself to spend almost $70 on a pair of pliers. Ugh. It's just too much, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. Anyway, thank you. Have yourself a wonderful day. Bye-bye.